Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond GMC Sierra 1500 four-door crew cab. The system includes three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of four, and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of two, offered in either silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. So the fitting kit will include a set of four rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as four rubber molded base pads. Both of these have numbers assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are designated in the instruction sheet for the vehicle. And those will help in the guidance of attaching those to the correct foot. So here's a sample of one of the feet. I'll take off the outer cover. And here you notice we've already added a sticker, which is included with the fit kit, to help guide to the correct position on the vehicle. So this is designated as the front left. So we would take the correct numbered base pads for the front left position and press that to the bottom of the foot. That'll give it the correct contouring base to rest on the roof line. And then we have the door frame bracket that just simply snaps into place. So within the foot here, you can see these two silver tabs, and those tabs allow us to install the load bar. So we'll do that next. Here's a sample of the Thule WingBar Evo Load Bar. We've cut this down so that you can see the construction. This is a extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along the top that allows you to attach certain accessories. So when you have the rack installed, you can insert those accessories or the hardware for the accessories into this slot, giving you the ability to position those carriers or accessories anywhere along the length of the bar. When it's time to install the foot onto the bar, you can see here we have that track there. Let's go ahead and take off the end cap, and then we'll install the foot onto the bar. You'll notice we have a measuring device here, also has numbers, and again, those numbers correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheet, which will guide you in the correct placement of the foot on the bar. So let's go ahead and do that next. So we just take the foot and press in on those tabs, and then slide the foot onto the bar. And then on the underside here, we'll bring the foot to the edge of that measuring device. Now you'll notice we also have some exposed track on the top here, and we'll want to fill that in with the provided rubber strip. Now that'll help maintain your good aerodynamic performance with air flowing underneath that bar. Now we can go ahead and return the end cap into position, just snap that into place. Now when it's time to actually tighten this door frame bracket on, Thule's provided a unique tool. When you insert that tool and tighten, when it's fully tightened, the handle clicks, and that indicates that it's reached its full tightness. Okay, then we can go ahead and return the outer cover back into place. Just snaps on. There's a plastic plug here. Just give that a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. Though you do have the option to replace this plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. These are sold in sets of four so that you can have all four of your feet all key matched. However, you can purchase these in sets of 6 or 8. That way you can have additional lock cylinders in order to lock up other accessories that you may want to lock to the bar and have key matched. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond GMC Sierra 1500 four-door crew cab. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for all the buying options for this rack system. Also, if you need additional support in the installation of this rack system, we have a more in-depth video that shows the actual installation onto a vehicle. Okay, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.